Hi, Miss Lovely Joy Bacalayo. Can you tell me about yourself?
Good day, ma'am. I'm Lovely Joy Mula Baclayo. I'm 26 years old. I live in Binyan, Laguna. I have a live-in partner. I have one kid, a 10 years old son.
Alright, so how many siblings do you have?
I have 4 siblings. I'm the eldest in the family.
Can you tell me about your educational background?
I'm a high school graduate, ma'am.
Do you have work experience abroad?
I do not have working experience in abroad, but I personally take good care of my son. I wake up in the morning, I prepare breakfast, I cook eggs, rice, sandwiches, and I ironing her uniform. Then I personally went to school to send him to school. Then I will go back to home to clean our house and to take good care of our dogs. I wash our clothes, wash our dishes. Then at 11 p.m. At 11 a.m. I will cook lunch because I will pick up my son at the school. Then we will go home and eat lunch. Then at 1 p.m. I will let him sleep to clean my house, prepare my food to the dogs, and washing the dishes, mopping the floor. Then if he wake up, I will teach him and help him to do her homework and other activities from school. Then after that, I will personally playing with him.
Okay, so how would you describe yourself?
I am a very hardworking person, honest, and a respectful person.
Do you have tattoo?
I don't have.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to provide a good life for my family and also for my son.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, because I have many dogs, especially Shih Tzu and Aspin.
Okay, so can you give me your idea on how can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will stop and I will be calm. Then I will talk to him about it.
So, what is your message to your future employer?
Dear to my future employer, I wish I could do my best to be a good worker to you. You can assure that I will be honest and hardworking. And if you have children, I will love them as my own. And if you have rules and regulation, I will follow them as long as it is safe, and I will promise to finish my contract. Thank you very much.